To secure DigitalOcean Droplet backups, start by understanding the importance of backups in preventing data loss. DigitalOcean provides a backup system that automatically takes snapshots of your droplet, but it is essential to configure and manage these backups properly. First, enable backups for your droplet through the DigitalOcean control panel. Navigate to the Droplets page. Click on the droplet you want to backup, and select the Backups tab. From here, you can enable automatic backups, which will take a snapshot of your droplet every day. Next, consider using third-party backup services, such as SnapShooter or Backup Ninja, which provide more advanced features and flexibility. These services allow you to schedule backups, store them in different locations, and even automate the restoration process. Another key aspect of securing DigitalOcean Droplet backups is encryption. Make sure to encrypt your backups to prevent unauthorized access to your data. You can use tools like GNUPG or OpenSSL to encrypt your backups, or use a managed backup service that provides encryption out of the box. It is also crucial to store your backups in a secure location, such as an off-site storage service like Amazon S3 or Google Cloud Storage. This ensures that your backups are safe even if your droplet is compromised or deleted. In addition to automatic backups, consider creating manual snapshots of your droplet at critical points, such as before making significant changes or deploying new code. This provides an additional layer of protection and allows you to easily restore your droplet to a previous state if needed. Finally, regularly test your backups to ensure they are working correctly and can be restored in case of an emergency. This involves restoring a backup to a new droplet and verifying that all data and configurations are intact. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your DigitalOcean Droplet backups are secure, reliable, and easily restorable, providing peace of mind and protecting your data from loss or corruption.